Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you don't already know me, my name is Raeanna, and today I'm sharing a video from my cancer journey that I recorded a while back. While this video was recorded in the past, I wanted to share it with you today as a part of my bigger story of my healing from cancer back to good health. In today's video, I'm doing a Sunday reset, and I'm just getting settled into my new routine and my new regimen. If you're interested in seeing how my third week of my natural cancer treatment is going, then stay tuned.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I do it all the time. Baby.
Good morning. Today's video, I'm just gonna be taking you guys along on a typical day in the life. I am on my third week of treatment, and I do want to address the elephant in the room. So if you watched some of my previous videos, I was dealing with impetigo, I think I'm saying that right, for 5 days. It's actually doing really well. It's healing really well. I've been tackling it with manuka honey. As you can see, it's going well. If you watch other videos, you will see. So I've only been here for a week, and I still had to go to treatment every day. I was still working, so I had a lot going on, and I still feel like I haven't been able to get fully settled. And so today, I'm hoping it's gonna be the last day that I have to go on this wild goose chase. I am still looking for a few items. I haven't had bread in 8 months, but I'm losing a lot of weight to the point that it's becoming unhealthy for me. It took me a while to get out of the house. I kind of had a bit of an emotional breakdown. I got my usual, a bunch of burro bananas and some shallots. Why did that cost me $9.33? Anyway, I'm just gonna go to the Whole Foods that I usually go to, and hopefully they have what I'm looking for. They did not have the teff pasta that I was looking for. They don't even have Ezekiel bread. It's not even an option here. Just kidding. The bread has been secured. Okay, I already bought one of these before. If I was to get any, this is the one I got. But I'm not gonna get any more today. I found the floss. They don't have the one. Oh, yes. See? Paper sticks. That's the one I like. Stay away from plastic too, because that's also chemicals. Look at those. Okay, so I also came for a mop head, and they don't have it. Apple cider vinegar. Alright, so I got some red bell peppers, a pound of sockeye salmon. This is my first time buying salmon, and this will be my first time eating salmon in 8 months. And then I got some very expensive shallots. Wait, this does not say Ezekiel. Okay, I'm confused because it had the same exact ingredients as the Ezekiel bread. Then I got some expensive burro bananas. This is actually for the fruit flies. Then I got some floss because I like this floss. It has a double, it's double threaded, which I really like. I feel like it works better. Cotton swabs because I've been using these to clean my impetigo, the rash on my face. And then this was on sale at Whole Foods, so I got one of these. I've been alkaline vegan for the past 8 months. I just started a new treatment at a new doctor, and they're recommending for me to eat these things. Some of my numbers are really low, and things like salmon and eggs are going to help me get back to where I need to be. So that's everything that I got. My food is heating up. This looks so good. We got green beans, Brussels sprouts, and then the quinoa. The quinoa looks great. Yes, I'm gonna eat. Goodbye. Hello you guys, it's a few hours later. I've just been sitting in the same spot. I was watching some Netflix while I ate, and then I kind of just sat here and kept watching Netflix. I haven't really had an opportunity to myself, or a lot of time to myself lately, to just watch Netflix and just chill, so that was well needed. I do want to bring attention to my impetigo. This is basically invisible compared to how it looked before. So I'm really excited that it's going away finally. While it's Sunday, I want to take today to clean and just kind of reset for the week. But before I start cleaning, I'm gonna make some tea. One of my teas I'm supposed to have every day. I have 3 different herbal teas that I need to be drinking every day. and I think all of them are twice a day. So I have some supplements to take as well. And I wanted to show you guys something I've been snacking on, the superfood cookie. Prior to my diagnosis, prior to everything, I was a big sugar person, and so when I went alkaline vegan, I really struggled because my only source of sweets were fruits. Sometimes you want something that's cakey, grainy, you know, dry texture versus a wet one. I've stuck to the alkaline vegan diet 100% for the past 8 months. I can give myself a pass on some things. Blanched almonds, date paste, almond butter,
bananas, water, chia seeds, vegetable glycerin, baking soda, natural banana extract, and sea salt.
I'm gonna make my tea and I'm gonna try to clean this space up a little bit. I hung up some of the clothes from my suitcase. All my clothes were in those suitcases over there. So I hung up the stuff that I felt like needed to be hung up. Also, if you guys want to see a full tour of the Airbnb, I do have a video up of the tour, but it might be incorporated into a vlog, but you'll see it. Check it out, then you'll have a better understanding of like what the heck I'm doing, why I'm here, and what is going on. So I washed the dishes earlier, and now I have this mess, the dining room table to clean up, and then also this little couch. Okay, so this is where I put them, in the little hallway. I don't know if it's a good idea right there. I don't know if I like it. I have to test it out. But I know you guys are probably wondering, like, what the hell, girl? How do you have so many supplements? So, side note, I actually was anti-supplements, anti-pills, anti-pharmaceutical, anything. Until a few days ago. Once I started going to this treatment center, I met some wonderful people there who are patients, and they were on like their last week where I was on my first week, and they told me to just follow every single thing that the doctors are saying to do. And so I just really want to follow through with that. If the person that achieved success and they're back to healthy is telling me that they did everything, I'm gonna do everything. I feel very strongly, and honestly it kind of hurts me a little bit to be taking supplements again, but if it's going to help me, oh, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna argue with that. I haven't been taking all of them every single day just yet. The graviola extract and the black seed oil I was taking at home. I did eliminate some of the stuff I was taking at home too, and now I'm using their stuff. These are actually herbs in here. These are mushrooms in here. Alrighty, it's all clean in here. This is the little table. It's so cute. And then everything's all cleared up from the counter. I cleared off the couch finally. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna go ahead and make some din din, and I will check back in with you guys later. Some green beans and quinoa. I've been a big fan of 3 items on my plate, but this is all we got for tonight. Alright you guys, so I am all showered and clean. Anywho, thank you guys so much for tuning into this vlog and following me along on my journey living in Tampa temporarily for 2 months while I get medical treatment. If you guys want to see more videos just like this one, then definitely subscribe to my channel and follow along on my journey. Bye!